All right, folks. Well, a little bit early tonight. Figured I'd start the stream a little bit before the close here as we watch some of these altcoins really start to take off and break out. All right. What's going on, IG Money? I'm trying a new feature with the goals here. I don't know if maybe you guys could achieve those goals this stream. That'd be cool. Yeah, we'll look at CAN stock, Kyle. First, I want to take a look at Tether dominance here as it's approaching its range low. We are breaking this long-term trend line, which is why we're seeing altcoins finally start to break out. Obviously, these impulses are pretty significant, so I'm in the camp that this is probably going to continue down. We might get like some pretty big pullback here next week. You know, it might bounce here, but I see that this is probably going to continue down here for the next coming months, based on what I'm seeing on this bearish engulfing candle. And you can see the monthly momentum on the stochastics here clearly tick down. We have about a week left of price action here on this to confirm that, but that looks pretty good for the market, for the crypto market. Yeah, we'll look at CAN stock here, Kyle. Looks like it closed above $2. Very nice. Or it closed right at the Fibonacci level, the $2 Fibonacci level. So typically falling wedge patterns, when you break out of them, anywhere from the 382 to the 618 before you see a reversal. I have that kind of plotted here. So anywhere from 356 on up to about $9 before the asset might reverse and make a major drawdown. So we don't really know where that's going to happen, but we want to monitor that. If I had to guess, it'll probably be up to the 618 because of how this monthly RSI is telling you that there's lots of upside still to come on this asset. Okay, so I'd be targeting this roughly $9 region in the next few months. Okay. Do I think it's time for ETH? The answer to that is yes. It's coming very shortly. We are very close to breaking this major pennant that we're in. We've been in here. We've had this plotted here for quite some time, and the measured move of the pennant is a 330% measured move, which should take us right around that $14,000 region for Ethereum. That could take some time, of course. We have some in-between levels here that we can look at, as I did fib from the previous cycle to the bear market low. But for in-between targets here, so we can see these levels here. 7,000 is probably your first major area for Ethereum once it does break out. All right, that's kind of what I'm looking at. The monthly time frame is also implying a major rally here ensuing for Ethereum. You can see the barely any negative momentum on that monthly, and massive amount of monthly bullish divergence on the MACD oscillator. That is going to really catalyze a massive move, as we've seen before. And another really good confirmation of that is looking at TVL. And I think I mentioned this to you guys in a previous stream. Paying attention to TVL is really important because you can see the capital inflows to the chain. And you can see right now the TVL hasn't even broke out yet. And once it does break this, this $65 billion region, that'll be taking out the April highs. And then we can make our way up to that $81 billion region, this level right here, and the all-time high TVL on ETH is about 106 billion. And once we break the 106 billion marker, that's kind of when we're going to see markets go into a euphoria stage. I would say we just started this kind of major momentum shift here with the altcoins. All right. And so that's kind of what I'm seeing. And hopefully you guys have been taking action during this bear market and accumulating as much as you can to reap the benefits of what's to come here. Cool. H bar at its neckline region here. 18 cents on deck. That looks like a supply area here. We've been talking about this. But your next real like major Fibonacci level is 24 cents. Okay, this region up here. Where's my rectangle tool? The hell? Oh, yeah. So this region up here. So your double bottom, right? Your neckline right here, which is where you just closed above. You just closed above your neckline here. You know, you might get a back test of this 12-cent region before you maybe continue, but you could also consolidate here too after this impulse. But yeah, you're looking at about a 200% move from here, which should take you to about 37 cents. Okay. Probably pretty close to the all-time high. That's where that should take you. And it actually really looks a lot like one of these types of patterns, okay? The butterfly, which that would mean long-term swing target of $1.74 into price discovery. Is what that looks like to me. About sand with the 100% candle today, man. Right out of the falling wedge pattern. Beautiful structure. The butterfly effect. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Kusama putting in a 100% candle this week. Beautiful. Very nice rally off the low there. Beautiful structure. KSM, we could be looking at $1,300 on this asset. Very nice. From the bottom here, that's quite a significant move, about a 90x from the low. So I think Bitcoin can just sit up here while altcoins kind of go ballistic, and that's it. Maybe Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin might have tagged a Fibonacci level, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember which chart I had this plotted on, but let me find it. Yeah. Bitcoin's a bit extended. I mean, we gotta say that's. So if this massive rising wedge structure kind of plays out longer term, you know, maybe $250,000 to $300,000 for this cycle is kind of what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. You know, we could end up back testing this region here first. You know, if we pull back. I say if, I'm saying maybe when we pull back. Yeah, pretty much right at the fib level. We're touching it right now, like around 100K. But yeah, I think we could extend out to the 200% retracement, and we could even extend just a wick above too. Like, it just really depends on how this plays out. If we go to like our quarterly chart on Bitcoin, we're just starting the white candles, okay, on the quarterly. All right, and to me, when this is just starting like this, it's just building up steam for 3 months at a clip. So we could be looking at a few of these quarterly candles like this. And once these candles stop turning white on the quarterly, you know that the run is probably over. All right, so that's why I think that this is just kind of starting for Bitcoin. It's going to get explosive. You can see even the 3-month volatility hasn't even kind of spiked yet. When volatility starts spiking, that's usually an inclination to believe that we're at the top, right? So that's a good sign. We got some time. All right, guys. So hodl on, man. I think we got some nice green candles ahead of us here, coming months. All right. Thanks, IJ Money. Appreciate it, man. It's about to get nutty. I don't know if you guys are familiar with pulse chain assets, but dude, these things are just flying off the chart, man. Absolutely flying off the chart. Like, have you guys seen this chart, man? Look at this God candle. Absolute God candle. Beautiful ascending triangle breakout. Huge move out of the break here. Like, what? 300% breakout? Come on, man. And this isn't stopping, dude. Look, this isn't stopping. This is going. This is teddy bear on pulse chain, man. This thing. What a chart. This could be doing a 500, a 400x. It's only a 60 million market cap, man. Like, this is what I'm trying to say, dude. Like, paying attention to TVL. Look at this. This is about to break its all-time high on TVL, and those altcoins that I just showed you just started their moves. When this breaks out on TVL, man, those things are flying. Like, yeah, crazy stuff happening on the Pulse chain for sure. I'm only talking about it because, well, yeah, I'm in it, but it's just like, this is what you really guys need to look at. There's plenty of AI meme coins going nuts right now too. Kava. Let me redraw this chart, but this looks great, man. Like, very low risk area here on Kava, right? You're about to break your downtrend. That's a falling wedge pattern, guys. Like, that's what that is. That's beautiful, dude. Yeah, and the target eventually is the all-time high, which is $9, man. Look at your monthly. Your monthly stochastics just crossed up, ticked up here. Beautiful. Beautiful swing trade opportunity down here on Kava. Absolutely. Very nice. Very nice looking chart. Good stuff, man. Sand just going ballistic right now, man. You guys you guys remember Chili's from last cycle? This thing did like a 6,000x or some shit, right? 23,000% last cycle, okay, this asset. 23,000%. That's a 230x, right? This one's about to do the deed, dude, and break out of the wedge, dude. All right. Monthly. We're looking at monthly charts here, guys, okay? Monthly MACD bullish divergence on this asset. Monthly stochastics about to cross up. Like, come on, man. Like, this is the stuff. Like, this is the stuff. This is a bull flag. This is a major structure. A major structure. Wow. Yeah, I mean, this thing could extend up to $5. Wow. With that kind of monthly momentum like that, you would think your first impulse is to the midline, you know, maybe a pullback here, consolidate, and then blow off top. Some crazy stuff like that can happen with this asset. All right. Wow, is basic attention token finally going to do something this cycle? Wow. Wow, look at this, man. Look at this beautiful structure on this, man. This is like beautiful. Just nice base. This is setting up, man. This is setting up for major moves, man. Who knows? Basic attention token could just go to new all-time highs this run, man. Major adoption cycle here for Brave and the basic attention token. What a chart, too. What a structure. What an opportunity down here, right? Come on, guys. Let's get to those goals I posted. We're going to do we do a free TA session if you guys can reach the goal. Yeah, XRP broke out of the 7-year pennant. We spoke about this for a long time, right? Beautiful. Beautiful breakout. Beautiful chart. Target $12 on it. XRP. TA Tetris, right, guys? Come on, we've been doing this for a while. We've had this charted for a long time, right? Monthly RSI breakout. Huge breakout on the monthly RSI. Huge squeeze broke, man. That's noted. That's notable. Okay. Rat Bitcoin on Pulse Chain going nuts, man. This thing might go to parity to actual Bitcoin. Silly, man. Absolutely silly stuff happening on Pulse Chain. Benki? I feel like I've heard of this one, yeah. Nice structure. Like high or low being put in here. Nice base. You can see your trend line here very clearly. Nice downsloping channel. Beautiful monthly is telling you some things, all right? You got to bridge ETH over to it. There's a pulse chain bridge. This Benki chart looks great, man. Looks like it's ready to rock. Okay, breakout any moment in time here. Actually, technically you broke on the weekly time frame here. Very nice. Nice downslope consolidation. Even a wedge within this drawdown here. You know, short-term target back up to the top of the range. 70% move, but you blow through that. There's really not much up here. Take a look at the chart, right? You got a bit of a negligible support or resistance flip here, and then this region here. So you got a couple areas here, but once you start really blowing through all that, I don't think it's gonna take much to get up here, and you know, eventually all the way up, because that monthly That monthly RSI is telling you some things, guys. But don't sleep on this asset, okay? I've been talking about it since 2023 when I basically puke bought it all the way down this cycle, this bear market, all right? The Flow blockchain, all right? Remember, if ETH is going to break out, Flow is an NFT blockchain. It's a spork or a child of Ethereum, all right? And they have all the major brands, all the major brands. NFTs are going to be back here soon, man. This is quite a structure, quite a base. Got the wedge break, you got the back test, and you got the candle. Right? You don't really want to see anything else from something like this. Okay, this is textbook stuff on the chart. And what I really like about it is the monthly RSI. You can see the tail end bull div on the monthly. Actually, this isn't even the chart I want to look at. I think the chart I want to look at is the KuCoin chart. Okay, yeah. Here you go. This is it, dude. Oversold RSI at 23, ticking up, tail end bullish divergence on the monthly time frame, in the oversold territory. I mean, look at the squeeze. Okay, guys. This is about to do some numbers. All right. Very, very tight on the squeeze break here. All right, you guys get the point, but don't sleep on some of these things, man. I mean, you've had a couple years now to accumulate these assets, and now they're going to go. Yeah, Polygon we can look at. Poll. I'm not a big Polygon guy anymore. We'll take a look at it. They started a new chart. Wasn't it just Matic for a while? Yeah, all right. Okay. Here's the Matic structure. Yeah, back down to the bottom of the rectangle. Low risk. Very low risk. Yeah, looks great. Weekly bull div coming in with the put. Got a probably nice push up on Poly there. 2 week ticking up, 3 week ticking up, monthly probably about to reset. Yeah, I think this is going to do well. I do think this is going to do well. I personally don't own a spot position of this, but very good. So you might want to look at the TVL, man, on Polygon, all right? Flat line down here, right? So when this starts picking up, man, TVL might explode. Yeah, this thing could go, man, really, really hard. It could go really, really hard. Go really hard. Looks like a dead chain right now, though, right? Think about it. I mean, not dead, but you got 1 billion total lock value on there. Avalanche kind of similar in its TVL, but it's starting to tick up. You see how it's starting to go a little bit up there, ticking up. So I think Avalanche is going to get some mainstream adoption with Visa, right? Payments from Visa. Avalanche, huge deal. You guys know that. Major Layer 1. A lot of good stuff happening right now in this space, okay? Got a lot of good charts going on here. So that gentleman requested Benki. Benki is actually the highest TVL asset on Avalanche. So it's a leverage play on Avalanche for TVL purposes. All right. So that's probably going to be a really good bet, man, when Avalanche starts blowing up on TVL. So that's probably going to be a good play. And don't forget about Trader Joe, the main DEX on Avalanche. I'm sure there's going to be meme coins blasting through on Avalanche chain, just like Solana, just like ETH, just like all the major chains having meme coin growth. You can really benefit from that by owning those assets because of that. Okay. Man. Yep. Some AI meme that I'm in right now is called Ava. It's what's it called? They do content generation or something. This is a baby, man. I think this is going to do pretty well. Some 4-hour bull div here, attempting a break on market cap. Anyways, there's tons of charts. There's tons of opportunities right now in this market. Link. Looks pretty good, man. Nice structure. Crazy monthly bull div, like you're seeing it here. See the barely any negative momentum on this in a monthly MACD cross up here. That's going to be a massive move. What's up, man? How's it going, bro? I stream every week, dude. I've been streaming every week for years, man. Once a week, stream every week. Bear market, bull market, doesn't matter. Good to see you back on the channel. What's going on, Mike? Bonk and Pepe. Bonk broke out, man. Could be a really massive move here for Bonk. The end of the cycle. Could be looking at a 40, 50x type of scenario on this type of pennant break like that. Beautiful. Nice chart. What's going on, Mike? Not sure I remember you, dude. We just looked at Chainlink, dude. Yep. Oh, what's up, dude? Good to have you, man. Good to have you on the stream. PYR, yeah. Sure. Holding a level. Holding a level nicely on the monthly here. Probably candling back above the level. Yep, very nice. Coming into your long-term trend line of resistance here, but you guys know how this works in a bull run. Looks very wedge-esque here. Nice momentum shifting here. You can see the RSI starting to curl up there on the 3-week, the 2-week. The 2-week just ticked up, gave you a buy signal, and the weekly has been in the buy zone here for quite some time. But now your momentum waves are starting to trigger long on the weekly time frame. So major swing trade opportunity here for this asset. That's what this chart is telling me here for sure. Crow. Yeah, Crow doesn't really have a lot of data, man. I mean, I have some data, but Fetch is consolidating, yeah. I don't know, man. The meme coins should do well, dude. Just be careful on where you enter them, that's all.
What if you could hear your favorite song for the first time again? Introducing the all-new, reimagined Nissan Kicks with an available Bose Personal Plus sound system that uses speakers in the headrest to 360 degrees.
Yeah, so I mean, like a lot of these memes, a lot of the bigger community ones are gonna do well. We're in a bull market, so like anything pretty much goes, I would say. So allocate your capital as you can, man. I mean, like, yeah. Yeah, I think the AI meme tokens in Solana are something you need to watch. You have ACT, this got listed on Binance. I think this is a big. It's already big. It's already almost $500 million. They got listed on Binance, and a year later, TVO. Right? I think this is a good one though. If you can get it, maybe wait for it to pull back somewhere. But it's little buddies. If you guys look at this picture, you got Memes AI, you got Opus, and you got a couple of these other characters here. I think that are going to do well too. So Memes AI is, I think, really good, really strong project as it's related to ACT. Look at this nice double bottom it just putting up here at the around the $50 million market cap region. And these are higher risk, but these are, you can make big gains and stuff like this in this type of market condition. Long-term channel up, very, very nicely regarded and respected here. It wouldn't shock me if this thing ripped out to the middle of the channel, which is about a 700% move. For the top of altcoins, you probably want to pay attention to the altcoin index chart. All right. According to this, we still haven't entered altcoin season yet, so that's how you know we're early still, okay? And if you look at the yearly chart, we're still down here at 37. I would say once we start getting up to these 70 levels, it's probably time to get rid of your altcoins, right? So that's how you know. Yep, and Bitcoin dominance. And Bitcoin dominance is just maybe starting to pull back here a bit. It hasn't even broke the structure yet. I think once we start actually breaking the structure is when real altcoin season begins. So I would say get in your positions, man, because this is the time to do that stuff. You don't want to miss the altcoin run, dude. It's going to be pretty massive, I think, this cycle. Right, and ETH Bitcoin, I actually do think this cycle, XRP going to lead the altcoin run, which we already saw XRP break out. So, XRP BTC is kind of what you want to really look at as a gauge right now. Not so much ETH because XRP broke out in a big way. And here's the XRP Bitcoin chart at the bottom. This could really do, I guess it really can do some numbers against Bitcoin, man. Like really, really do a lot of numbers against Bitcoin. Massive than 2021. Yeah, I think it's going to potentially be a much bigger altcoin season than 2021. The XRP Bitcoin chart is very telltale sign here of what's to come for XRP. This is telling you a 14x against Bitcoin, okay? Potentially back up to the top of its range. But how? Because we're going through a liquidity cycle and lots of inflows now into crypto, and the mainstream adoption is here for Bitcoin, right? On a large scale, you have Bitcoin ETFs and ETH ETFs, and you have these pension funds that are going to start buying Bitcoin, and you got countries buying Bitcoin, and yeah, dude, lots of capital inflows into this market, just going to trickle down into these other assets, and it's really going to be a thing, a really, really crazy thing to watch happen. I've been in this space since 2016, 2017, and we've never really seen stuff like this happening with this type of adoption. But always remember to take profits along the way, guys, because if you don't take them, somebody else will, and like this is your hard-earned money. COVID actually lagged the cycle because it was a pandemic and people weren't really risk on. And we're also in an interest rate environment where they're lowering interest rates. XLM was a big surprise. No, it really wasn't. It follows XRP, man. The massive ascending triangle breakout potential here for this asset. This is probably just going to break right to $2 to $6 in this region here. Okay, ascending triangle, massive ascending triangle. Very clean chart, man. Very nice chart pattern. There's a monthly time frame as well. Okay, yeah, we are very much approaching overbought here on the RSI, but we had an RSI break, so no real bearish divergence, and you can see the monthly stochastic just crossed up, man. I don't know if you remember, Wild Man, but there's an asset on XRP. It's called Sologenics. It's I think one of the dexes for XRP, dude. This is like a low cap, but dude, look what this thing's doing, man. It's a $280 million market cap now, but we traded this during the bear market, I believe, when it was like 14 cents, and we caught this pop to like 40, right? This chart looks ridiculous, dude. Absolutely ridiculous. Anyways, can't catch them all, man. There's so many. There's so many coins that are going to do stupid stuff right now. What a candle, though, dude. What a candle, man. A 10x. A 10x. That's crazy. Cool. So I guess you guys don't want to meet the goals for this evening. The goal was to get 10 super chats, and I'll host a free private Zoom TA session. Come on, man. You guys been on this channel for how long? I'm sure a lot of you guys have made tons of great trades along the way here. Yeah, AXS looks great, man, with that. It looks a lot like the KSM chart, to be honest with you, with this structure that it's kind of putting in right now. Kind of like a descending broadening formation, very deep. You kind of want to pay attention to the stochastic RSI on the monthly time frame for a longer term swing trade to really capture most of the value, I would say. Yeah, but AXS, if this pattern plays out, goes up to the top, which is about a 20x. And then you could be looking at, price discovery on something like this if there's actually adoption for this asset. And, you could be, I'm gonna just go by candle bodies here, but like this could be something really stupid, man. Like, yeah, this thing, I don't know. Probably not $900, but You know, from the bear market low, if we fib from that level, I think that gives you some realistic targets. In between realistic targets, you know, maybe 300 bucks. Sounds crazy, but yeah, it's like a 40x type of trade setup. Swing trade. Yeah, this is about to be nuts. What do you mean, dude? You had like 2 years to buy alts. I don't understand you, bro. What am I? What am I? The Oracle, dude? Like, I know exactly when they're going to start selling this thing. Could happen this week, dude. Could happen this week into Thanksgiving. They start pulling it back. Sure. Your weekly stochastic is already kind of up here. It hasn't really crossed down just yet, but once you start crossing below the 80 line, you get a weekly sell signal, and then you get a major pullback, right? But like, I'm still flashing weekly buy signals right now. Right? Our candles are white. We're in a breakout. But yeah, altcoins should really start to rip out here now, because like, look at Bitcoin dominance on the weekly time frame here. This is it. This is where this is the start of altcoin season, 100%. This is where it starts. All right. Any other special requests? I mean, you guys been here for a long time, a lot of you. Tips are appreciated. I do a lot of hard work here for you guys, put a lot of my time in here. These are STP indicators, man. What's up, Fadoosh? Welcome to the party. Hey, Flap. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it, dude. It's always you and Sugarwire, man, throwing the tips. I really appreciate you guys, dude. Really, I do. You guys must be killing it. You guys must be killing it. It's awesome, man. Yeah. This is about to be a fun ride for everybody. We deserve it. We've been through the ringer in this market here for the last couple of years, accumulating. Locked and loaded. Yeah, that's it. Get your popcorn out. Get the popcorn out, man. Total 3 about to break out. Floki, yeah. Floki. Meme coins, dude. Yeah, meme coins. Wow, yeah. Floki chart looks... That's quite the ascending triangle. Do you guys see that? Wow. Wow. Okay. So Floki, measured move is A 5,327% measured move. Wow. Floki, are you guys listening? Hello, Bueller, are you there? So first major target on this break, which looks like it's about to happen any moment now. He's about a 300% move. It's a cup with handle, but it's really a massive ascending triangle. Look at that. Look how perfect the structure is. It's very, very, very distinct. Wow. These charts are unbelievable, man. They're just unbelievable. Unbelievable charts. Really. You only see this stuff in crypto. Actually, that's not true. But yeah. Thanks a lot, Wild Man. Appreciate it, dude. Wow. Yeah, Floki looks great, man. I mean, up to you, bro. Go for it. I'm not going to tell you what to do with your capital, man, but charts telling you some things, dude. It's telling you some things. I mean, we got data on this chart. It's not even like a... Yeah, this looks nuts. Looks really nuts. Even high time frame looks nuts. Wow. Floki. Probably going to be a lot of rich people off Floki this cycle. Cool. Appreciate the tips, folks. We've been live for about 47 minutes here. Not really too much else to talk about. I mean, obviously, Bitcoin is on a rampage right now. We could pull back at any given point in time. We basically touched the Fibonacci level. It doesn't really look like we got much of reaction there in terms of people wanting to sell, right? So we're still building momentum here on the weekly. You can see these green signals here still flashing. Momentum is at the highest it's been since that looks to be November of 21. Oh, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Pretty good. Gotta say, looking good. Get your popcorn out, boys, if you're loaded up, man. And if you're not, well, welcome to the party. It's going to be a party. For sure going to be a party. All right, guys. Well, appreciate all you guys tuning in with me, supporting. And we'll catch you guys next week. We almost reached the threshold. Oh, no chill on AVAX. Looks good, yeah. It's not doing a lot of trading volume, though, but it will pick up once Avalanche starts picking up there, Mr. Smith. Very nice base put in here on this asset. Straight down, kind of consolidation. Looks like a double bottom on market cap down here. You could really see a massive spike like this. It can happen. That can happen. Last impulse it had, it did a 85,000% move, an 800x. Past results aren't indicative of the future. However, you know, once the avalanche really starts doing its thing, I think this thing is probably going to do something similar to what it did prior. So probably not a bad place for a swing entry on this thing. Not financial advice, but based on the chart, low risk, right? Low risk area on the chart. Not doing that much trading volume, but it's also a really small cap, $7 million market cap. That's right. That's right. Sand just broke out of its wedge pattern. Yep. All right, guys. Well, buckle your seatbelts. We're in for a ride. All right. We're finally here. Feels great. How's everybody feeling tonight? Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving. Yes. Happy Thanksgiving to all. Everyone have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Spend some time with family. Try not to talk about, things that we talk about here on Sundays. I'm kidding. No, you guys all should be really proud of yourselves for sticking through this bear market, and it's gonna really pay off in a big way. What about no chill, man? Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna jump. Appreciate all you guys tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, whatever, all the fun stuff. You guys know what to do. And we'll catch you guys next week. Hopefully we see some continuation on these breakouts. Maybe some back tests too. Those are important to get after breakouts too. So number go up a lot of bit, come back down a lot of bit, go sideways, build up energy again, right? Continuations. That's how they start. So don't be surprised if some of those assets that just ripped out, 150% do 60, 70% drawdowns after that, right? Or 50% pullbacks. This is normal behavior in this market. All right. So remember that. Don't be greedy. Make sure you guys take profits along the way. And we'll catch you guys next week. Appreciate it. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving.
Hey everyone, you've landed on the Swing Trade Pros website here. My name is Mr. Know-It-All. I've been an active swing trader for over 7 years. I want to welcome you guys all to the community here. My goal is to change 1 million people's lives with swing trading and trading profitably. This is a skill set you can learn here with the service. Go check out the testimonials in Discord. You can see lots of folks talking about the service and how the trade calls are super profitable. You can check Profit Gains channel. I think we've amassed around $150,000 worth of profits in the last year posted in the Profits Gains channel just from other users and traders in the community. I'd like all of you guys to check out the 14-day free trial. A coupon code will be pinned in the comment section below this video, so check it out. And we'll take you through 14-day free trial process here. You come down to the website, save 44%, and claim your 14-day free trial. Click on that. And that will take you to the Swing Trade Pros website where you can click sign up now. And after your 14-day free trial is up, on the 15th day you will get billed, full disclosure of that. And I appreciate you guys all joining the community. It will change your lives. Give it a chance. A lot of these swing trades can take months. One of our biggest trades of the year last year was INJ. We took an entry at $1.60, and well, that asset's trading over $35 today. So that was one of the banger trades that I pointed out. My strongest pattern that I trade that I'm known for is the falling wedge. I call it the falling node wedge pattern. Lots of divergence on these charts, and that's what makes these patterns really play out. And you guys are going to be able to really learn that in the service, and I really hope you enjoy it. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you guys on the charts.